Okay, today we are talking about the top 5 mini-split maintenance tasks. So safety first, remember to wear PPE and turn the power off before performing maintenance. So here's a standard mini-split system. You have your outdoor condensing unit. You have your indoor head or evaporator and air handling unit that houses the filters and the blower wheel. And then you have a line set that connects the two units. So maintenance task number 1, open this door, clean your filters. Number 2, clean the blower wheel gently. Be careful not to bend it. Don't blow it with compressed air, because you can induce a current in the motor and damage the electronics on your mini split. So spin it very slowly and gently by hand. Item number 3 is to inspect and clean your condensate drain line. If you have a little condensate pump like you see here, make sure you clean it. Maintenance task number 4 would be to clean the evaporator coil inside the head unit and the condenser coil outside at the outdoor unit. And finally, maintenance task number 5 would be to check the discharge air temperature coming out of the head unit when it's running, of course, to see if it's blowing out cold air. And then also check the suction line temp. That suction line temp should be nice and cool. I would not recommend hooking up your manifold gauge set to a mini-split system during a preventative maintenance if you're an HVAC tech. The refrigerant charge in these mini-splits is very exact and small. You don't want to risk losing refrigerant or messing up the charge. So I would only hook up a manifold gauge set during like a troubleshooting procedure if you're trying to make a repair or a diagnosis because you have a problem, but not during preventative maintenance, in my professional opinion. Always refer to your maintenance manual, owner's manual for your mini split. They should give you a maintenance checklist in there. And if cleaning the coils with just water doesn't seem to get them clean enough, and you want to be careful cleaning coils, by the way, you don't want to bend or damage those fins. If you do need a coil cleaner, use one that's non-toxic, that's not corrosive to the type of metal that your coils are made out of. So read the product that you're buying. Here's an example. And I would recommend one of these mini split cleaning kits, or sometimes referred to as a bib kit. It comes with this catch bib that would catch the water as you spray down your evaporator coil with water and you spray off your blower wheel with water inside that head unit. It'll catch the water, and then you could direct it into like a 5-gallon bucket, for example. You'd still want to put down a tarp on the floor. This kit will make it so that you try to eliminate getting the floor wet or the wall wet. And when you first go to turn it back on, if that blower wheel and evaporator coil are not completely dry, it may throw out some water out of that head unit. So you can stand there with maybe a big bath towel to kind of absorb that water that first comes out of it when you first turn it back on. But those kits are nice. They come with soft bristle brushes, again, the bib itself, and the little pump water sprayer. I hope this information helps you. If you are an HVAC technician or facilities maintenance technician, I'd like to show you this facilities maintenance handbook. Available in the video description below is the link for this handbook, available in paperback or ebook format. It's a great training guide and resource guide for HVAC technicians and facilities professionals. I hope you find it helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.